Bringing to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2014 Ram 2500 Laramie Edition Crew Cab pickup. On the exterior of this Ram, you'll find power and heated tow mirrors, rear backup camera, and fully automatic headlights. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and remote keyless entry. The 8.4-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This 2014 Ram 2500 has less than 134,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.